Today, we are going to discuss the results that we got from 100 chatbot outreach video that we did last week. We made 83 chatbots that day, but we only managed to send out 53 messages, personalized video messages. Out of that, 18 people responded so far, and it's not going good. More than half of them has one or more of these objections. One, they don't have any kind of traffic coming in to their website. And number two, they have multiple funnels for each of their products. They have multiple conversion events. Number three, this is the main one. Everyone had a following on different social media platforms. Some are huge on Instagram, and some are running ads to their Facebook Messenger, and some real estate clients like WhatsApp. All of these complaints, a combination of these objections, came up in all the messages that I see. But we can provide those integrations. Using BotPress, we can have at least 17 integrations. The clients are having a hard time getting it. Even when I say that can be done, now they are skeptical. It looks like that I'm convincing them and trying to get them on a call, which is a bad place to be. So learn from my mistakes. When you reaching out to people, mention that you can integrate this bot on any platform that they like. I am following a plan to mitigate that in future, especially in this type of outreach. I will be their prospective clients. I'll follow their ads and I click on them. If you look at this Facebook ad library, you can just enter the name of the prospective client that you're targeting. And this helps us in two ways. One, if they are running the ads, you know that the business has some kind of money, can afford our services. And when you click on this, for example, this is an example, but if you click on this, some of the clients will take you through Facebook Messenger or lead you to Instagram or their e-commerce store. But this client is going to a funnel because they had a huge following. And if you look at the price, it's close to $1,000. The chatbot here is so basic. And if you are targeting these clients, let's say we can make a chatbot that has all the knowledge, a mini AI persona chatbot that can clear all the questions that the customers have, increasing the chances for conversion, or we can capture the lead and subscribe them to an email sequence. If we have that in the message, it makes our prospective clients go, oh, this is for me. And that's what I learned from this experience. You have to craft your message or that initial offer so good that they must feel that it's made for them. The problem that I see with the space right now is it is a great place to be. AI automation agency, I believe, is wonderful. It's going to be great in future. But right now, it's a double-edged sword. Why do I say that? It is new. We have this early mover advantage, but we also need to educate people. As you can see, it can get hard. That's the problem that I'm facing right now. If this were an SMMA or something people already know, they would have responded differently. But since it's new, they don't know who to trust and they don't know what this product can do. And it's our job to make sure we show that clearly, and that's what I'm trying to do in my future videos. I know that a lot of my viewers want chatbot tutorials as well. That's what I'm planning to do on this weekend. I already promised an e-commerce chatbot. In addition to that, build chatbots that can integrate with Facebook, that can integrate with WhatsApp, Instagram, and any of the 17 integrations that BotPress had. What I want you to do is I am making 6 tutorials for next week. I want you to comment down below what you want to see on this channel, whether it's e-commerce bot connected to Instagram or a real estate bot connected to WhatsApp, an AI persona coach that's connected to Messenger. Whatever you want, comment down below. I will respond to every comment. I will pick the top 6 for this week and I make videos for that. Progress update on sales side of things. E-com sales call that we did a couple of days ago, they came back. We agreed to work on a 15-day trial. If they like the chatbot, we will end up working with them for $1,800 setup fee and $600 monthly retainer. Future work as well. That would be staff training bots or workflow automations, It's a small win and it has potential to turn into something big, but we need a lot more of that. Comment down below what you want to see, and if you haven't watched my sales call video about the client that I just spoke, watch this video next.